Okay, students, we will do today multiple MCQ questions. Okay, now of chapter 2. Okay, so topic is MCQ of chapter 2. Now the first question is 1 by 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power minus 5 means it is 2 to the power 5, because 1 by 2 to the power minus 5 is 1 by 2 to the power 5. So this will go up. Okay, that is 2 to the power 5. What is 2 to the power 5? It is 32. So answer is A. Okay, that is answer is A. Now second question is, this is question number 3. Now question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is 1 by 4 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. So 1 by 4 to the power minus 2 is 4 to the power 2. Same way here, 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 is 3 to the power 2. So you will have 4 square plus 3 square. The question is divided by 5 square. What is 4 square? 4 square is 16. What is 3 square? 9 upon 25. What is it? 25 upon 25. What is it equal to? 1. So here answer is 1. That is C. C is the answer. Now next question is 2 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 3 equals 4 to the power x. See, both are in powers of 4. So this can be converted to powers of 4. 2 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 3 equal to 4 to the power of x. So both are in 4 to the power 4. So this can be converted to 4 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 3. What is it? 4 to the power 5. That is given as 4 to the power x. So bases are same. So you can equate the powers. So x is equal to 5. What is the answer here for question number 5? This one, first one. So answer is A. Now sixth question. Sixth one is the value of 729 upon 406. Okay, now 16 by 9 minus 16 minus 9. So it is to the power of 9 and 16. That is understood. Now here 729. That is 729 upon 4096 whole power minus 1 by 3 is, this is 9 to the power 3 upon 16 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. So 9 by 16 whole to the power minus 1 by 3 into. Okay, so this 3 and this 3 cancels. It is 9 by 16 whole to the power of minus 1. That is 16 upon 9. Why here 3? Because 729 equals 9 to the power 3. So this one we have used here. Okay, so the answer is 16 to the power, that is A. Answer is A. Now question number 7 we are talking about is now question number 7 is minus 4 to the power minus 4 by 3 to the power 7 into minus 4 by 3 to the power 8 divided by minus 3. Okay, so I am writing the question here, minus 4 by 3 to the power 7 into minus 4 by 3 to the power 8 divided by minus 3 by 4 to the power minus 5. So the denominator can be converted, this minus 5. So you know that can be converted as minus 4 upon this one to the power 5. Same as you have done 1 by 2 to the power minus 5 is 2 to the power 5. Same way you can say same process. So here the numerator becomes minus 4 upon 3 whole to the power, both are positive. So 7 plus 8, 15 divided by this one. So division means subtraction of bases are same. So subtraction of the powers. So minus 4 by 3 to the power 15 minus 5, that is 10. So here the answer is B. See that minus 4 by 3 upon power. So answer is B. Okay, now next is the eighth one. Eighth one is standard form. Standard form means one number points the decimal then to the power of. Okay, it will be minus because 0.4 so many zeros. So how many zeros you can count? Till the number 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the question. So it is till 7. You will include the 7 also. So it is 7.89. Whatever is rest you will put as into. If it starts with the decimal, then into 10 to the power minus. How many are there? 6 zeros and 1. So it is minus 7. So here the answer is C. Okay. Now next one is ninth one. Ninth one, the question is the usual form. Usual form means you had to multiply it and find the answer. The question is 3.67 into 10 to the power of 5. So it can be split and written as 3.67 into, for the two decimal places you can put it as into 10 to the power, and rest from 5 minus 2 is 10 to the power of 3. So this if you multiply it is 367. And rest, how many zeros you have to put? 3 zeros. Okay. Now the 10th question is multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3 to the power 4. So power is changed, the sign is changed for the multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse will be, for the 10th question, it will be minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 4. So which is the option? Minus 4. So no minus 4 is given here. Now we will write here. So if it is minus 4, then it is minus 3 by 2 to the power 4. That can be written interchange. Okay. Now what is minus 3 to the power 4? No minus sign, it is positive, and 3 to the power 4. What is 3 to the power 4? 9 into 9, that is 81 by 2 to the power 4. 2 4 times you have to multiply. So it is 4 4s are 16. 81 by 16. What is the option here? 81 by 16, that is 10C. So this is C. Okay. Now next is the 11th question. The 11th question is, see here, 2 to the power of 0 plus 3 to the power of 0 plus 1 by 4 to the power of 0. Any number to the power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So the answer is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay. Now the 12th question is the last question. 12 upon 13 to the power 4 multiplied by 13 upon 12 to the power minus 8 equals 12 upon 13 to the power 2x. Then find x. So here we will do, this is the question I have written. Okay, so what will you do? See, both majority is in 12 by 3. So you will put it as 12 by 13 to the power 4. And this one, it can be interchanged. That is 13 upon 12 upon minus 8 can be written as 12 upon 13 to the power 8. So into 12 upon 13 to the power 8 equals, what is given? 12 upon 13 to the power 2x. Now this is multiplication. So multiplication means 12 upon 13, the powers will be added. 4 plus 8 is 12. That is equal to 12 upon 13 to the power 2x. Now bases are same. So what happens to the powers? Bases same. So powers are equated. Bases are same. So powers are equated. Okay. Now so 2x is equal to 12. Then what is x? X is equal to 6. The option here is, see that B option is 6. So you got it. The MCQs are over. Okay. Thank you.